This is Keshav from Make You Billionaire Trade Secrets YouTube channel. Welcome all. Today we are going to see a very important excited session how to become a billionaire very quickly. Everybody want to know the secrets about how to become a billionaire, right? Before continuing the session, you might be heard a lot of interesting news saying that there are a lot of people out there in the market who came or invest in the stock market with a 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakh rupee. They made like 1,000 crores or 500 crores or 2,000 crores. Did you know what is the secret of that? Did you think actually they just invested 10 years before with a 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupee, and after 10 years it automatically become 500 or 1,000 crores rupee? No. There is a secret behind that how to invest very smartly to get a very big returns in a very short span of like 10 years or 15 years, a big amount. We are going to discuss about that secret strategy to you. Before we continue the section, if you are watching first time into my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel where I am giving a quality information about the value based tips about investing. Okay, so let us not waste time. Let us quickly go into the details. Before we continue the secrets of making you a billionaire very quickly, let us understand what is a growth stock or what is a value based stock. A growth stock means a company is growing consistently like 8%, 9%, 10%. Consistently they are growing. Very good company, so far no issues. A value based company means the value of that particular stock price wise or compared with their earnings, their dividends, their sales details, they reach into some particular value comparison, okay, and they compare that particular value with the price of the stock. If they see a value, if they see a good value in that particular stock, they say it is a value based company. Okay, so you understand what is a growth stock, what is a value based company. Now how this secret billionaires invest in this particular stock. When I compare or when I discuss with a couple of billionaires, what they're telling is that they want 100 rupees worth of a stock for 50 rupees. They know they are a growth based company, they are the value based company, they know is it, but they are not ready to pay what is the current price in the market. Rather, they wait for the opportunity. I repeat, they wait for the opportunity to enter into that particular stock. So, as a retail trader, people just see, okay, this company is like a growth company, this is like a value based company, they jump in, right? But for a secret billionaire, they rightly wait for the opportunity. Every year, 4 times in a year, they will get an opportunity to invest in that particular stocks. Every year, 4 times means Nifty will be crashing because of a lot of factors, because of global economy or because of Indian economy. A lot of times it is getting crash. So this value-based investor, what they will do is that they are getting 100 rupees worth of a thing for 50 rupees. They know what is a growth of the company, they know what is the value of that particular company too. Now what they will do, they will wait for the opportunity. They will wait for the opportunity means 100 rupees worth of a thing they are getting for 50 rupees. So every year this secret billionaires will get 4 times an opportunity, and during those time they will slowly pump into that particular stock. Within 2 or 3 months, they will get minimum 40 to 50% returns on those particular stocks quickly, because during those time the retail traders will be in a panic mode, they will sell their stocks. But the smart billionaires, they will slowly accumulate this one, and within 3 or 4 months, slowly it recovers, stock market or a financial market will recover. They earn like a minimum 40 to 50% returns they will get. Now what happened to the retail traders? The retail traders, they will purely look into like technicals. They will see, okay, stock is rising up, MACD is raising, RSI raising, let us start investing. By the time what they will do, these smart investors, they will slowly release their stocks. Now who is in a trap and who has got the money? The smart billionaire got the money. So my answer to become a make you billionaire very quickly is that identify a growth based company and a value based company and patiently wait for a year. You should get that 100 rupees worth of a stock for a 50 rupees, a damn cheap price. Pump your money slow by slowly, and within 2 or 3 months, you can see the results. You can see the results. This is what I learned from my last 20 years of analysis of so many stocks. Nobody will tell you, nobody will teach you, and I am telling the secret strategy to you. You just watch it for 1 year or 6 months, you watch it, you will unlock these particular secrets and you will begin on the path of billionaire very quickly. Join my Telegram channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. Lot of upcoming videos are there. How to find this particular growth and value-based stocks and when to invest it. We are there with you. I am there with you. Together we can make you a billionaire. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, team.